Attention table tennis enthusiasts. Ever wondered why your shots lack that extra oomph? The secret might be hiding right under your nose, or rather, under your rubber. Today, we're diving into the art of gluing table tennis rubbers. It's not just about slapping on some adhesive and calling it a day.
Oh no.
My friends, this is where the magic happens. Let's kick things off with the essentials. You'll need water-based table tennis glue, a sponge or brush applicator, sharp scissors, and a rolling pin. Got everything? Great. Let's get sticky. First up, prep work. If you're replacing old rubbers, peel them off slowly. Clean that blade like it's going to a fancy dinner party. For new rubbers, let them sunbathe flat for a day to shake off any curl. Now, the fun part. Grab your glue and channel your inner Picasso. Apply a thin, even layer to both the rubber and the blade. Work in one direction, like you're petting a very particular cat. Let it dry until it's tacky, about 5 to 10 minutes. Here comes the tricky bit. Align that rubber with your blade like you're lining up the perfect shot. Start at the handle and slowly roll it on. Use your rolling pin to smooth out any air bubbles. Think of it as ironing out the wrinkles in your game. Once it's set, grab those scissors. Carefully trim the excess rubber, following the blade's curves. Take your time, this isn't a race. Now, repeat the process on the other side. Symmetry is key, folks. Here's the kicker, patience. Let your newly glued racket rest for 24 to 48 hours. I know, you're itching to try it out. But trust me, good things come to those who wait. Remember, a well-glued rubber is like a well-oiled machine. It'll give you maximum spin, consistent play, and it'll stick around longer than your opponent's excuses. So there you have it, the secret sauce to upping your table tennis game. Give it a shot, and watch your performance soar. Who knows? You might just become the next glue guru at your local club. Until next time, keep those rubbers sticky and those shots even stickier.